Tuesday, February 28th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. A lot of fog has been around the region to start the day, but it'll turn out to be a very, very nice day. Today our high is topping 60 with a good amount of sunshine, but quick hitting pattern here. Another system begins to spread some rain chances in by late tonight. That one will produce anything from blizzard conditions in parts of the country to severe weather, and then another system with some similar type of weather conditions in various parts of the country to end the week. So a lot to talk about here. Let's start off with the radar imagery this morning, and pretty quiet here across our neck of the woods. This is just some false returns across Virginia and North Carolina. There is no precipitation out there this morning in terms of our area, but you do have some areas of light snow primarily, although maybe some pockets of moderate snow involved in that region. But this is the real deal. That's the beginning of the next major system moving out, and in advance of that system you have lots of winter weather related products arcing all across the northern tier of the country. Some blizzard warnings involved in this, and it's going to be a big deal in terms of a snow event up in that part of the country. Temperature-wise this morning, we're a little milder. Our temperatures, a lot of us in the 40s, some 30s involved to start the day, and we'll have highs again topping 60 this afternoon. Now let's talk about the severe weather aspect of this system. There's the day one severe weather outlook. This area primarily due to the possibility of some hail, but this would be the possibility of some tornadoes, some damaging winds, and some hail, kind of focused around the Ozarks region. And then tomorrow, the whole system moves eastward, and there's a pretty decent severe weather risk tomorrow in this corridor here west of the mountains. This is more of a question mark once you get into our region east of the mountains. It's kind of a matter of how unstable the air mass can become. This would be tomorrow night for the Carolinas, and so we'll see. It's going to be battling not a great instability type of air mass as the system moves in, but maybe a few strong to severe storms to contend with. We'll see. Here's the upper air chart off of the European model this afternoon. There goes the next system, really beginning to carve out from the Rockies into the Plain States. We go out to tomorrow morning, and there you go. Closed upper low in the Siouxland, cranking the snow on the northwest side of that. We go 24 hours later to Thursday morning. That closed low is in the Great Lakes, and we already begin to have the next trough swinging in out west, and that trough swings into our region over the weekend. That'll be our next system. So let's take it here on the GFS. Today there'll be a lot of sunshine across our region, highs at the 60s. Look at this powerful low pressure here centered over Nebraska this afternoon and this evening. Heavy snow on the north side of that low. We get to tomorrow afternoon, and I think, again, as soon as late tonight, some showers become possible, and then it looks like really some showers at times tomorrow, especially in North Carolina. And the snow still really cranking up into the cold air side of this system. Severe weather will have to be watched in this region. And again, tomorrow night, we'll see that cold front slide on in, exiting by Thursday morning. So we'll have to see if we get any severe weather to develop. It kind of depends on how unstable the air mass can become. Later into the day, Thursday, breezy and warm across at least North Carolina. Could be a few lingering showers across South Carolina and coastal North Carolina. I think a lot of Piedmont highs Thursday into the 70s. Friday, though, the next chance of showers begins to move on in with the next area of low pressure. And I want you to watch this. Here we go at, again, this is the GFS, so this is Friday evening, and you have a 1,000 millibar low over Illinois and Indiana. Only 12 hours later, that thing is cranked to, let's see, what is that, sub 980 up there north of the Great Lakes. So rapid deepening low pressures that lifts up towards southeastern Canada from the Midwest. And probably going to look at a pretty good area of thunderstorms with this as it moves from eastern Tennessee and Kentucky into the mountains and then across our region Friday night or Saturday. The European is about 12 hours slower with the timing of this. It's kind of a Saturday afternoon deal on the European. It's more of a Saturday morning thing on the GFS. So we'll see which timing works out. But whenever that does come through, expect some showers, some thunderstorms, maybe some severe weather with that too. Behind the system, the GFS brings another little disturbance through Sunday night. The European does so on Monday. So I haven't thrown any precipitation chances in there, but it wouldn't shock me if we had a few sprinkles. And if the timing were to be at night, it could even be a few snow flurries if the European is correct. But I don't see anything to get excited about at this point. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. A lot going on. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.